Liverpool monitoring Brahim Diaz as possible Salah replacement. Liverpool are considering their options in the market should Mohamed Salah leave the club at the end of the season. The Egyptian forward is in the final 6 months of his contract at Anfield and a deal has yet to be agreed. Salah has been instrumental for the Reds this season, scoring 18 goals and adding 13 assists in the Premier League, and has emerged as one of the league's best players. However, his future at the club is uncertain, and he, along with other stars such as Virgil van Dijk and Trent Alexander-Arnold, could become free agents. With Salah's possible departure, Liverpool are interested in Real Madrid striker Brahim Diaz, according to Fichajes. The Spanish newspaper named the Reds as one of 3 clubs chasing the player, alongside Borussia Dortmund and Bayern Munich. Diaz, who has failed to establish himself as a regular under Carlo Ancelotti, has seen his playing time limited due to competition at Real Madrid. Liverpool, in search of a skillful and creative winger, see Diaz as a good option to bolster their squad. Liverpool could also lose Luis Diaz, with the Colombian interested in a potential move to Barcelona. The Catalan side are also reportedly keen to try and sign the player. Another option on the Reds' radar is Brentford's Bryan Mbeumo, who has been a standout performer this season. If you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications and don't miss the next videos.